says she running away.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave me a comment and share my video. Today we are doing a quick clean with me of my master bedroom, and I am going to reveal my new furniture that I've been waiting for so long, and I finally got it. It finally came. So I washed my sheets and I purchased this cover for the bed from Walmart. It was like almost $90, and I heard the washer making this noise. And when everything was finally finished washing and I opened it up, that part that I just showed you was caught in the outer part of the washer and it damaged it. But guess what? We're using it. So I am making a bed, as you guys can see. And after this, we're gonna see my new furniture. So guys, I have a website. I've been have it. I don't know why I wasn't promoting it, but I do have a website. You can go on my website. You can see some of my work. And also, if you want me to help you design, you can go on there. You can see the prices. We do virtual design consultations. We also do in-home. We do your purchasing for you, all that. So go on my website, check it out, and you can send me an email if you want to use my services. So guys, how was your week? I had a blessed week. I cannot complain at all. I had a very good week, and I'm just giving God all the thanks, all the praise. And I'm glad that the week has finished and we're now moving into new things. And today's Saturday, and this is when I really like to clean my room, change my sheets and all that type of stuff. So that's what I'm getting done here. I actually had to do this video in 2 parts because I had to go somewhere with Babe to do something with my car. To do something with my car, to check something with the bumper. So we left and came back, and now I'm finishing up cleaning the room. Guys, there is my new console table. I have been waiting for this, oh my gosh. I am so excited. And I'm just, I can't wait to put it up. I can't wait to put it up. So it's a black, I wanted black because my furniture, my custom built furniture in my room is an espresso color. So I wanted black because my walls are white. So I just wanted something that's going to look very minimalistic. So that's why I chose this style of a console table. And when I set it up, I think you guys are gonna like it. I got it from Overstock, and I will definitely link it in the description. So because I was doing this by myself, I like to do things by myself, I don't want nobody in my ear. I was having some difficulties trying to get this thing even and balanced out. Now I looked at the instructions and it told me that number 4 goes to the bottom. But I put number 4 on the top, and then when I was trying to install number 3, it was too small, and I was like, huh? Why is it too small? And I double checked and saw that it was too small. So I put this up and had to take it back down because the top one wasn't working. So yeah, I had to do it twice. Maybe someone was helping me, they would have noticed. But because I was doing it by myself, I didn't notice. And it's fine. It's okay. I like to be in my peace and quiet and have nobody harassing me. So I was fine hooking this up by myself. It was easy to install. So don't mind that you see that I had to take it back down and put it back up. And that was because I did not follow the instructions. But outside of that, it was easy to put up. So what I'm installing right now is the little clear tabs that it comes with for the glass to sit on top of the metal so that it, it doesn't be scraping the glass or whatever. Now it only came with 6 and I was confused. I have 2 glass. Why does this only have 6? Only for the top. So I was like, okay, let me put them on the top. Good thing I put them on the top because I did not realize that this table, the top was glass and the bottom shelf was actually a mirror, which makes it look super cool. I was so excited with that. Yeah, so I'm reading it because I'm trying to figure out how much of those tabs should have come with it. So after I took the mirror and the glass out, the mirror has like a board behind of it. So I realized, I was like, okay, that's why there was no tabs for the bottom, because the mirror is protected by a piece of board that's underneath of it. And that's to keep it sturdy. Like anything heavy goes on top of it, of course it would have cracked. So it's to keep it, that was the support for it. So here I am using my spray way cleaner to clean it up, and then we're going to put it in place and start to style it. If anyone knows me, they know I love to put mirrors in spaces because I love to see the reflection of mirrors and how, they illuminate a space and, make spaces look bigger. It gives off this elegance. So for that table to have a mirror bottom, I was excited because I was not expecting that. And I saw that mirror and I was like, jackpot. So I got 2 of those. I purchased probably a few weeks ago from Home Goods, and it was actually 2 of them, and they were on clearance for $18. So here I'm using, actually I wanted to get some books. I was going to purchase some, and I was like, I am not paying all that money. I'm doing the happy dance because I got my mirror on the bottom of that table. So I was saying I wanted to do some books on the table, but I did not. I was like, I'm not spending all that money for them books. So I used my old school books that I had, an interior design one and an architectural design one. So here I am vacuuming up all of that styrofoam. It's not showing on the camera, but it was a lot of styrofoam flakes all over the floor. So I am vacuuming that up, and then I'll be all finished. So guys, here is the table. That's not like the final styling of it. That artwork, I actually painted that artwork. I will be dropping that video soon of how I did that, but I have to hang it on the wall, so I haven't hung it yet. So I just sat it on top of the table. But I am finished, and I am just loving my table. So yeah, I'm really loving the table. I like the little hints of gold. I didn't want to use the copper tone golds in my room. That would have been a little too harsh for my cool colors that I have going on. So I'm using a lighter tone of golds in the room. So this is not the final styling of it. I do have 1 or 2 things I still want to get. I'm thinking I want to put some stems in the gold vase that I have, and I might put the second one on there, but I don't want the table to look too heavy. But I have to wait until I hung the artwork. Once I remove those other 2 that's up above, I haven't taken them down yet, and I hang the artwork, then I'm gonna start to like get the vision of how I really want to style that table. And of course I have to think on baby Zyla when I'm doing this, because she has no ears. And her picture is up there, so I know she's gonna be going after it. When I had the other vignette there, that same table, that's not staying there. But when I had those over there, I had to actually turn that particular table backwards, and she would always be putting her hands in between trying to take her picture up. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video with me. And I am finished cleaning my bedroom and installing my new console table. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.